Royal Manufacturing is a leading manufacturer and marketer of the highest quality of oils and greases with 2 plant locations in the United States. Known around the world by its customers and peers for high-quality products, Royal is an independent, family-owned and operated business that takes great pride in its American heritage and places special emphasis on family-friendly customer service. We pride ourselves in the way we do business, a long tradition of building business relationships with employees, customers, and vendors. Relationships that build the business along with the finest lubricants produced anywhere in the world. A legacy of quality, a history of performance.
My dad has built this business on the relationships that he has with our employees, the relationships with the vendors, the relationships with the customers. It's important to put quality into our products, but for him, it's the people and the relationships.
It all began in 1914, 100 years ago, when Tulsa Refined Oil Company, Troco, established its fuel and oil business in Tulsa, Oklahoma. The company established a line of fuel filling stations and lubricants to supply the Tulsa area. Service stations were sold off to Marlin Oil Company, the forerunner of Conoco. Tulsa Refined Oil continued in the lubricants business, supplying the oil fields, farmers, and industrial businesses. They soon extended their territory to western Oklahoma, southern Kansas, and Arkansas, providing for the farm trade and other off-highway users. In the 1970s, Royal began private labeling for other companies. Also during the 1970s, a major expansion greatly increased the grease-making capacity by installing 2 additional grease kettles and packaging equipment in Tulsa. Growth continued, and in 1976, Royal acquired Wright Oil Company, San Antonio, Texas, from a leading construction contractor company in the San Antonio area. This increased the operating territory again for the company to include all of Texas, the Texas Rio Grande Valley, parts of New Mexico, and Louisiana.
One thing we strive upon is our quality of our products. We have a very high quality product. We promote that. We cut 0 corners when it comes to the quality of our product. Part of the quality is it's monitored daily, hourly, actually to the minute.
As the sales and manufacturing grew by supplying lubricants for heavy equipment in both off-highway and industrial markets, the company enlarged its quality control laboratory and added research and development labs. Looking into the future, the company placed strong emphasis on technology. The company is now led by a competent laboratory staff that includes Dr. Paul Salter, PhD in chemistry from the University of Oxford, UK. Dr. Paul is lab manager for lubricating oils, including synthetic and food-grade oils, and oversees the environmental reporting. Dr. Salter is an active officer of the Oklahoma section of STLE.
Typically, we will run viscosities on all of our products, along with metal analysis with an ICP instrument. And we also have other various equipment such as a volatility tester, some cold crank equipment, and flashpoint analysis. I'm looking at some food grade gear oils and some biodegradable gear oils based on canola and some other renewable sources as well.
Dr. Anup Kumar, PhD in chemistry from India Institute of Technology, is Director of Research and Business Development and Senior Lab Manager for lubricating greases, including synthetic, food-grade greases, and biodegradable products. Dr. Kumar is known throughout the world for his grease expertise and has published over 70 technical and research papers in journals of international repute, as well as over 20 international patents on products and processes of lubricating greases.
We have 2 pilot kettles which are capable of working under pressure, which we were never doing before. And these are the kettles where we can develop some new product. We can set our parameters in terms of pressure, in terms of temperature, variations like energy saving, how we can optimize our existing formulation, how we can develop new products. So there are a lot of capabilities, not a lot of opportunities we are looking. Our marketing folks, when they bring some new projects to us, I think we have a lot of capabilities which we were not able to do before. We should be able to do in times to come.
With strong leadership and development in our laboratories, Royal combines its leading-edge chemistry with modern engineering to create best-in-class lubricating products. Well-equipped on-site laboratories at each location, staffed with highly trained chemists and technicians, provide a stringent quality control testing and monitoring at each critical stage of the manufacturing process. Royal has developed and continually improves on a full line of lubricating oils and greases that enables our manufacturing group to compound, blend, package, and distribute a comprehensive portfolio of lubricants for the marketing and sales personnel to present to the distributors that in turn supply the users.
I've got a lot of close relationships with people, and I know the Mallorys do too, with the same people that are based on friendships through the years. So that's what I like, the plus on the side on us. I also like the fact that through the bad economy of 2008, 2009, you know, and we're still not in a great economy, but the Mallorys, Bill Mallory has invested in the company. We actually grew our capacity and everything else during those down times.
Royal has invested in a high level of plant automation, and we are constantly improving production processes and implementing new and advanced manufacturing capabilities to best serve our customers. Our efficient filling, capping, boxing, and palletizing systems streamline our work, and our high-speed filling lines allow speedy turnaround on even the largest of orders. Royal has a complete lubrication oil and grease plant in Tulsa with 18 grease kettles and storage capabilities of 4 million gallons. In addition, the San Antonio plant has oil and grease production capabilities with over 2 million gallons of bulk storage and 16 grease kettles with up to 20,000 pound capacity. We have the laboratories and laboratory personnel, and we have modern lubricating oil and grease plants and personnel to develop and manufacture the more sophisticated and demanding lubricating oils and greases that are being required to protect the current and future equipment being developed. Royal has invested heavily in product development and manufacturing to provide the finest lubricating oils and greases well into the future.
This is a family company, which means that we work as a family, we learn as a family, and we grow as a family. What also is one of the main agendas of this company is to keep growing, keep improving every day. I personally hold a degree of PhD in chemical engineering, and I try to bring all my knowledge and expertise that I have to improve the operations.
Transportation service with major rail and trucking companies ensure on-time deliveries to our customers as well as help reduce freight cost. Our plant locations make it easy and economical to ship throughout the United States and are convenient to direct shipment to major ports for international customers. In recent years, a significant share of Royal's business is private label manufacturing. But as part of its 100 years of existence in the lubricant business, Royal has strategically planned to promote and extend the Royal branded lubricants and greases globally. Royal now has distributor offices in Dubai, Singapore, and Miami, Florida, servicing customers in Canada, Mexico, South America, the European Union, Africa, the Middle East, India, China, Southeast Asia, Australia, and others.
Customer service, we have dedicated ourselves to customer service. It's the philosophy of our company. We pride ourselves in service, we pride ourselves in communication with our customers, we pride ourselves in the relationships we have with our customers.
Within the last few years, Royal Manufacturing has been certified ISO 9001-2008, established a full line of NSF H1 registered products, received accreditation from Kosher and Halal for food-grade products, and provides products that are approved or meet OEM heavy equipment manufacturers' specifications. Royal offers best-in-class quality and is committed to customer service by providing state-of-the-art products, living up to its core values of integrity and honesty.
Bill's a great guy to work for, very honest, straightforward. What he says goes, what he says he does. So it's just been fun.
Our extensive laboratories and experienced personnel allow us to develop high-performance lubricants that will give the equipment user long equipment life, extended drain intervals, and still maintain a reasonable price for the high-performance oils and greases.
We want to do it right the first time. We want to make sure that everything as it goes into the container is on spec for the customer to have the assurance that they're getting quality product.
We have oils and greases for almost all applications in several fields, including natural gas and oil fields, mining, heavy industrial, automotive, construction, marine, food and beverage processing plants, and others.
We may not be the biggest, but we might just be the best.
Royal Manufacturing, committed to quality, customer service, and state-of-the-art technology, living up to our core values of integrity and honesty, fulfilling our promise to you to deliver superior products at a competitive price on time.